introduces DJI Action 2. Action 2 doesn't just challenge design standards, it shatters them. It harnesses size-defying power and adaptive shooting for show-stopping footage. With 4K 120 frame per second capabilities and an ultra-wide field of view, you can capture richer details and see more in every frame. But here's what makes Action 2 truly different. Action 2 ushers in an era of creative freedom through its magnetic modular design. Capture life on the move by effortlessly swapping out modules and accessories. Its fluid form lets you adapt to your environment and capture a vast range of shots. Snap on the front touchscreen module and frame the perfect selfie with ease. Focus on the story you're telling and record crisp audio with the built-in microphones. The wearable accessories let you remain in the moment as you capture the spectacular. With the magnetic mounts, you can securely position Action 2 in unique locations or connect it with a variety of accessories. From the extraordinary to the everyday, Action 2 was designed for creative flexibility. But the innovation doesn't stop there. Action 2 focuses on creating smoother footage than ever before. A completely upgraded stabilization system brings incredible gimbal-like smoothness and can fully lock on to a leveled horizon. Take to the waters and capture the drama of your aquatic adventures. Show off your creative flair with stunning time-lapse, hyperlapse, and slow-motion shots. The upgraded voice control allows for complete convenience while filming, simply by asking. And with the DJI Mimo app, you can instantly transfer your footage and let the AI editor handle the rest.
This is the Hero 10 Black, the next generation flagship GoPro camera that is powered by GP2 that brings together all-out speed and ultimate ease. The revolutionary GP2 processor powers all the amazing upgrades for Hero 10 Black. Double the frame rates at higher resolution, 23 megapixel photo, next generation hyper smooth 4.0 stabilization, amazingly smooth and responsive touch controls, quick captures, and faster offload options. Hero 10 Black and GP2 are the next generation from GoPro. GP2 enables double the frame rates on Hero 10 Black at high resolutions, including 5K 60, 4K 120, and 2.7K 240. With the capability to capture stunning video in 5.3K 4:3 aspect ratio, users will enjoy the benefit of exporting high-quality frame grabs of up to 19.6 megapixel photos. Hero 10 Black introduces 23 megapixel photo in all photo modes. As part of the GP2 system on the chip, the image signal processor is able to provide better image quality and more detail than ever before in both photos and videos. With improved image processing algorithms, local tone mapping and 3D noise reduction are now available across video modes to capture stunning image quality. Hypersmooth 4.0, the next generation of GoPro stabilization. Hypersmooth 4.0 extends the highest level of stabilization in most settings, making it easy to get the best stabilization at all times. Experience improved performance in horizon leveling in more resolutions with a higher tilt limit of up to 45 degrees. With increased processing power and more efficient use of internal memory, it further improves the overall camera's reliability. Hero 10 Black will feel quicker and more responsive with snappier camera speed and capture, smoother previews across all video resolutions and FPS on the front LCD, speedy offloads with both wired and wireless connections to the Quick app. There are now 3 ways to offload and access your content. Number 1, auto upload to the cloud. Number 2, 30% faster wireless offloads with the Quick app. Number 3, a new method, wired transfer, the fastest way to transfer footage from your GoPro to your phone. Use Hero 10 Black as a webcam or live stream with Hypersmooth 4.0. Hero 10 Black carries over the great form factor of Hero 9, enabling all mounts and accessories, including batteries and mods, are fully compatible. The new lens cover spots a water-shedding hydrophobic glass that is more scratch-resistant and reduces ghosting.
Built for the next level image quality. It combines 9 pieces of glass. 4 of the 9 are spherical lenses, and with a half CMOS sensor. Akaso Brave. You can get 48 megapixels photos, 8K time-lapse videos, smooth moments with 4K, 60 frames per second, and capture more details in 16 times, slow motion than 8 times. AI face metering detects human faces smartly. Super smooth shoots images and videos with gimbal-like steadiness. The waterproof body helps you see the world down to 33 feet. Boosted battery guarantees longer duration. Connect the camera with app. You can preview, edit, and share your life instantly. Let this remote control help you see scenes with a master stroke. Trust me, it is better than ever.